And now comes Samudra Lahar. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today as we witness truly a unique, groundbreaking event, Samudra Lahar. It's not just a fashion show, but a celebration to profound connection we share with the ocean and the lifeline in our maritime world. Today, our host for this event is Ishika Chaturvedi.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the organizers of the evening, KEE Management Services and Bhandarkar Publications. The jury for the evening, Mr. Karan Kochar, Managing Director of Maersk Fleet, Ms. Sanjam Gupta, Director Satara Shipping Limited India, Ms. Sumita Banerjee, Senior Vice President of All Cargo Group, Captain Girish Fadnis, MD KEE Shipping Management Services, and Ms. Sharmila Amin, MD Bertling Logistics Private Limited. There's a fashion show planned for you with a twist. I'm going to invite all our beautiful brand ambassadors right now on stage.
Good evening, my name is Captain Vivek Singh Anand. I've been a shipping and logistics professional for the last 45 years. My message to the sailing staff is don't pollute the oceans and don't let anybody pollute the ocean in your watch. My message to the landlubbers is let's keep our beaches clean, our homes clean, our cities clean, and our waterways clean.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Cadet Mayank Sharma. I am from Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. My idea for precaution is, if things can be recycled, it should be recycled. So I have used a safety harness strap. I've cut it and made a hand strap out of it. And I've colored it in a way which represents Milky Way, which represents us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aditya Gupta, and I'm representing Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. I come from Kolkata, a city where art, culture, and conversations flow as freely as its famous sweets. My e-caution item for today is a stole that I have repurposed from an old dupatta.
I'm Captain Mahesh Jadhav, representing Seaspan today. Just as I navigate the vast oceans, I navigate a path to a greener future, turning old leather belts into a stylish navy-themed bracelet. Also, I have gone a bit real today. All my outfits for the day are either rented or borrowed, creating a positive impact to the planet and reducing the fashion's ecological footprint.
My name is Captain Abhinav Gautam. I'm a sailing master with Anglo Eastern. We make fresh water out of seawater. It's something that we have been doing since ages, since a very long time. So that's, I think, our contribution as a seafarer, as a seafaring community to the ocean.
Good evening, everyone. I am Bhushan. I am part of the Marine People and Culture team at AP Moller Maersk. My belief is that you buy things which look good and don't go out of fashion very easily. Just like the outfit I'm wearing today. It's from Rajasthan. I love the work that's done by local artists. But what's interesting, I bought this in 2010, which is 14 years from now. I keep wearing this for various events, weddings. I style it differently, accessorize differently, and it still looks fabulous. So I'm wearing my eco fashion today for this event.
You can tell I've changed into my eco sheen outfit for the day. And no, none of these newspapers are from my home. I collected it from someone who keeps newspapers. I use apps for news. And no, none of this is going to go waste. I'm going to reduce it to a pulp and then make artifacts for my home. Hello everyone, my name is Atashi and I represent C-SPAN on the stage today. The message would be to save paper, save trees, save the planet.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ishita Chattopadhyay, second generation confident shipping. Also very happy to be adorning a sustainable sari that is 48 years old. My grandmother's sari passed to my mother during her trousseau, and I'm adorning it.
Myself, Captain Shailesh Tiwari. I am heading Alba Marine Services Private Limited. The only thing is, don't drink in plastic glass.
Namaste. Good evening, beautiful people, and welcome to this pageant with a passion and a purpose. My name is Dr. Kusum Kanwar. I represent MMTI, that's Mumbai Marine Training Institute here today. This is my cultural eco-shin. It's called the Guluband, and it's from the state I belong to, Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And this is Aipan art, very traditional art of the Kumaon region and made out of a dupatta, a pichora.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Pratibha Bhaviskar. My eco-shin is the outfit I'm wearing. This is a sari I made out of gift packaging material which would have otherwise gone to waste. I've teamed it up with a neck piece which has old coins which have been put in the form of a necklace.
Good evening, everyone. I am Mrs. Veena Likhari, wife of Captain Likhari, and my eco-shin is my flower on my head, which is recycled paper.
My name is Mahima Roy. I am from Kolkata. I work as an HR in the Shipping Corporation of India Limited. I am going to show you my eco-shin item which I am wearing. It's a necklace. It is made with the pearls of my mother's old jewelry. And the clay work done here of this beautiful rose is done by me. It's made on a mold clay mixed with paper mash.
I am Nandini Singha, representing Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy. I hail from Assam.
My name is Javan, and I'm from Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. And I'm currently doing my BTech Marine Engineering, and my question is that I own a recycled dhoti.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Samira Sayyed. I'm owning and operating crew management company called Clipper Ocean Ventures India Private Limited from last 6 years.
Myself, Amreen Bano, Electrical Superintendent, Maersk Line. I have created this, one of my travel partner, from the old clothes. Wherever I go, I take it.
My name is Monica Kirit Damania. I'm one of the director in Renuka Forwarding Private Limited in the industry for last 26 years. I would like to give a message to all the ladies which I learned after this event that we should not waste a lot of money on ornaments which we can make through our old clothes as well.
I'm Archana Saxena. I'm a proud mariner and I've sailed as a chief engineer. This is the desk organizer, and which is made up of papers, magazine paper, and a chocolate box.
I am a model, a mariner, Gurdeep Singh.
I'm Mona Bareja, and I can describe myself in just 3 words. I'm a loving, caring, and a very good soul. I truly believe that we should use, reuse, recycle, and again use the resources to the fullest.
Me, myself, Firdaus Namirian from C-SPAN. It's made from a tone sock and shopping bag.
My name is Sunil. I'm a retired chief engineer. My equation is my jacket, which I'm wearing today. It is a piece of sustainable art from Jharkhand, made from recycled cotton, giving a discarded fiber a second life.
My name is Captain Raj Likhari. I've been here and now retired and 50 years service, and I've designed my own clothes normally. And today's eco question is my cap, which is made from recycled silk and cotton fabric.
Captain Gyanendra Singh, owner of Abaka Research and Consultancy Services. People more often call me Fauji in Merchant Navy. I proudly sport my alumni cravat and the pocket square.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You've been the most gracious participants, and a huge round of applause to all of you. Thank you.
A contest with a purpose, and each one of them asked a strong message. I'm Nisha Rale. I was a show director and the grooming instructor. I had a lovely time grooming each one of them. Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech. They were right here, making sure the hair and makeup was done fantastic. And then, of course, the gifting partners, Metamorphosis Clinic, who did a superb job by putting all the gift hampers for each one of them.
Calling on stage, I'd invite now Kiran Fadnis, Captain Vivek Bhandarkar and Bharti Bhandarkar.